Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a starter on a Nissan Armada. To begin, always prioritize your safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal from the battery. Next, make sure you have all your essential tools ready, such as a ratchet set, various extensions, and a reliable floor jack. Then, carefully lift the front of your vehicle and secure it firmly on jack stands before you do anything else. Now that your vehicle is safely supported, you can locate the starter motor. It's typically found on the passenger side, near the transmission bell housing. Carefully disconnect the main power cable and the smaller solenoid wire from the starter. Then, using the appropriate size wrench, remove the two mounting bolts that secure the starter to the engine block. With the old starter removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new starter into place and hand-tighten the two mounting bolts. Next, reconnect the main power cable and the smaller solenoid wire, ensuring all connections are secure. Finally, torque the mounting bolts to the manufacturer's recommended specifications for a proper and safe installation. You're almost done. Carefully lower your vehicle back to the ground and reconnect the negative battery terminal. Before starting the engine, double-check all your connections one last time. Then, attempt to start the vehicle to confirm the new starter is working correctly. If it cranks and starts, you've successfully replaced your starter. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.